All right, so what you cooking for 4th of July, Mama?
Hey y'all, so I'm gonna be making some ribs in the crock pot. I do have some lima beans on the stove. I got a macaroni and cheese I gotta do, and a potato salad I'm gonna whip up real quick.
Okay.